what the fuck is happening, bro. We're gonna die! What the actual... Alright, this one. What the genuine... Yo, so... This guy's still taking the chair. We were just recording a vlog for out of nowhere, and then the fire drill goes on in the Danbury Mall. What a daily day for Alex Pierre's fight. So, quite frankly, I put zero money on this fight because I'm broke, but it's worth it.
Okay, so post fire alarm break outage.
Yeah, we're in a secluded spot, so we're kind of chilling right now. We still have no update on what the fuck happened. We see a lot of people leaving though. So either they might close it early or like, I don't know, but firefighters and cops should be around here soon.
Now we can ask some clickbaity title, we got kicked out of the mall because we hit the fire alarm.
No, the fuck, no, we just said we had a bomb and then, no, I'm joking. Got basically fire trucks showing up now and all that stuff. I don't know what happened. Either someone pulled it, I don't know, threatening with deadly weapons. Man, this is only Danbury, Connecticut. Stranger things are happening. I'm negative 500. No, but you like oh yeah. Welcome back, guys. All right, so we just actually headed up to our first spot, Buffalo Wild Wings, where we recorded our first video on the new camera. All right, so now we're gonna get some food and grub a little bit before we head out to a spot. Ooh, Mercedes over there. Over for Alex Pierre's fight. We're gonna be at a friend's house. We're gonna watch it over there and record over there too. Let's get into it. Never second guess. Oh, what's up, guys? All right. Liquid Death, bro. I don't know. This is I heard this is a good seltzer water. And I had it before. Quite frankly, pretty good. All right, let's go, Pat. Oh, that was good. So what's up, guys? Now it's time for Alex's fight. All right. So he's getting ready to head to the octagon. We got everybody here ready for the fight. It's currently 12:45 p.m. So it's pretty late. Me and the cameraman are heavily tired. So we'll let you know what happens at the fight. Stay tuned.